In this video, we are going to talk about Merkle. Now, Merkle is basically a reputation network, and there are a lot of tasks which you can complete in order to qualify for various airdrops in the future. Now, none of this is a financial advice, this is for information purpose only. Do your own research. Now, there are a lot of NFTs that can be minted on Merkle, and some of them are free and some of them will cost you money. Now there would be also token airdrops in the future as per Merkle. So let's get straight into the video. Now with regards to Merkle, if you want to go ahead and mint some free NFTs, and also apart from the free NFTs, if you want to mint some M badges, you can use my referral link in the description, as it really supports my channel. Now as you can see, there are a lot of quests or tasks that you can complete in order to earn some M badges over here. So as you can see, they have this blast, they have this swell, zk sync, ooga booga. Now let me go ahead and show you for the scroll one. Now once you click on it, we'll wait for the interface to load over here, and simply click on mint Merkle NFT. Now let the transaction go through. At times it might be slow, and as you can see, my identity is now verified, and basically I can claim this scroll reputation for like around 0.0003 ETH. Now let me put my channel's name over here, and I will go ahead and try to mint this one. Now they have this decent interface, to be honest, and as you can see, it's asking me to switch to scroll network. So let me go ahead and switch to scroll network over here. Now I'm not sure whether I would be minting this, because this is costing me around 2.24, because the Denkan upgrade is not done yet for scroll. Let me go ahead and check for some other one. Maybe Linea I will do it. Linea should be cheaper, because the Denkan upgrade is done for Linea. For scroll I will do it, but I will do it after 29th of April, because they would be doing the Denkan upgrade on 29th of April. Now let me go ahead and check the cost for Linea. So I will go ahead and switch to Linea network. Now I think the one on the Bera chain was cheap, so this is costing me around $1. I will go ahead and mint one of this, and basically you would be able to see your XP collected and all the M badges that you have minted in your profile. So your NFT is minting in the background, so this might take some time over here. Meanwhile, I will go ahead and go to the main page over here. So basically you can go ahead and collect all these M badges, and as you can see, my mint is complete over here, and it's loading my profile. So basically what you can do is this will allow you to build more transactions on different networks, like L1s and L2s. For example, there is Linea, there is zkSync, there is Zora, there are a lot of them. And then they have this NFTs and tokens campaign, where you would be able to get some of these airdrops over here, as well as maybe some free NFT mints. And as you can see, you can go ahead and basically check all the campaigns over here. Now they also have a current raffle which is going on, and currently they are giving away one Lil Pudgy. Now let me go ahead and check the price of Lil Pudgy. I think it should be less than 1 ETH, I think so. No, now it's more than 1 ETH. So the floor price for this is like more than 1 ETH, and basically you can go ahead and participate in the raffles over here. So if I click on view details over here, as it's ending today, so I think there is only 13 to 14 hours left. So basically for participating for this giveaway, you will need to mint a sync swap and layer 0 and Tyco M badge, and then you would be added to the raffle. And if you are lucky, you would be getting this Lil Pudgy. Now please note that this Lil Pudgy is very expensive NFT, because it's from Pudgy Penguins, and it holds a lot of value, to be honest. So what I will do is I will basically go ahead and mint all of these, and I will participate in Lil Pudgies. Now to be honest, I have one Lil Pudgy, and I'm thinking of actually increasing my exposure in Lil Pudgies, because currently, to be honest, I'm exposed in some other NFTs also, and I currently don't have the budget to actually go ahead and buy Pudgy Penguin. Now Pudgy Penguin should be more than 10 ETH, I think so. I haven't checked it for long. Pudgy Penguin, yeah. So the floor price for Pudgy Penguin is like around 11.2 ETH. So for now I cannot afford it, but maybe in future, like if I get a decent airdrop or something, I might go ahead and buy one of this, because there are a lot of benefits of holding pudgy penguins and Lil Pudgies. And then they have this reward section over here where you will be able to actually go ahead and check your profile stats over here. So as you can see, I've completed few of the task over here and I've collected these rewards over here, and basically you can go ahead and get some more XP over here. So they have this DeFi XP, then total XP earned, and the number of tasks done, social, and rest of the things. And if you go to your profile, basically you can go ahead and connect your Discord and try to get the Discord role on the on their Merkle Discord server. So this is all for this video, and to be honest, I will be farming a lot of this today, and I will be completing most of the task on Merkle. And hopefully, like apart from this Merkle rewards and some tokens airdrops here and there, I might be eligible for some airdrops on L2, maybe like Linea, then base and scroll. You may never know. And once again, as I told you, this is not a financial advice. This may help or may not help, so do your own research. And this is all for this video. In case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.